Ahoj lidi, tady je Kikny a já vás vítám u té nejepištější hry, která zatím existuje. A je to South Park Stick of Truth. Tohle je moje první video, tak doufám, že budete brát ohled, jako. Ale abych to nezdržoval, tak se rovnou vrhne do hry. Už jsem to hrál jsem to. Tady jsem to skoro takrát dohrál. Ale začneme od začátku. Myslím si, že každý už tady tu hru zná. Natáčí už strašně moc spoilerů a teď se na chvilku odmlčí, protože budou super cenky.
Deep in the lands of Zara, the humans of Kupa Keep struggle to stay alive as they are attacked by the wicked drow elves of Larnia. Darkness falls as the humans beg their king to save them, a noble king known only as the Grand Wizard. For 1,000 years the battle has been waged, with only the bravery of the Grand Wizard to protect his human followers. But even though the Wizard King is so undeniably cool, the Drow Elf armies continue their attacks. They seek the humans' most treasured relic, the Stick of Truth. But the tides of war are soon to change, as news of a new kid spreads throughout the land.
Mám to trošku spožděný. Ten tohleto.
Before the Drow Elf can manipulate his land and use him to take the sacred relic from human hands. For whomever controls the stick controls the
Pardon.
universe.
Dobře, mě to jede. No, to je jedno. Takže teď jdeme na vytvoření postavy. Já preferuji tady tohleto, když vlastně vůbec nevím, co to je. A jak jste se mohli dozvědět, tak budeme nový dítě ve městě. A my se budeme nějak muset přizpůsobit tady tomu životu tady South Parku. A já si teď vytvořím postavu, která by byla podobná mně. To vypadá dobře. Skvěle. God damn it! Fuck this shit. Pardon. To jsem nevychytal tady. Tak, next. Tady si... Tohle je nejlepší. Tohle je nejlepší. Primárně tohleto. Skvěle. Next. Teďka... Budeme vypadat za Kratos z God of War. Je, nechci. Complete. Tak. Půjdeme hrát. South Park. Tady budeme bydlet, myslím. To je náš baráček.
Well, I think that's everything.
We did.
To jsou mý rodiče.
We're really moved in.
It's a new beginning for us. Things are finally going to be good.
Do you really think it will be better for him?
They won't look for him here. We just need to make sure he doesn't attract any attention. Come on, let's see how he's doing.
Mám to trošku zrychlen, zpomalený.
Sweetie, I'm your
Je. No to je tím frapsem.
Hey, champ, how do you like your new room?
To jsem já.
I know it's a big change for all of us, but son, do you remember why we moved to this quiet little mountain town? He doesn't remember.
Oh, nope. Pardon.
He doesn't remember
Adam.
at all.
That's good he doesn't remember.
Sweetie, we want you to have lots of fun here. Why don't you go out and make some friends?
Right, get outside
Skvělý
and play,
nápad.
son. Like normal kids.
Normal.
We've got some money for you on the kitchen counter,
Kids.
sweetie. Just be back before it gets dark.
Yeah, we love you too. Jak jste si mohli všimnout, jsem takový trochu mimoň. Prostě, to prdele, jak to ty vole. Jak to vypadá. Takže. Pojďme se klasicky VSHD. To je jasný. No to byste zjistili tak i po čase, co to budete hrát. Tady to je pokoj mých rodičů, tady je bathroom. Koupelna. Tady je ten, tohle je ta nejepičtější věc, co stají v téhle hře. A to je, můžete se vysrat. Je to strašně těžký, jo. Je to strašně těžký. Ale dostanete tady ten shit nugget a to můžete použít na házení po nepřátelích. A ono jim to dá plusový damage. Myslím, že je to jakože jed. No, skvěle. To je něco jako jed. No spíš, když se po vás zažou hovna, tak to bude asi nějak jakože jako mor. No, to je jedno. A teďka se tady potkáme s novým kamarádem. A bude to kdo jiný než Butters! Musíme ho zabít. To je elf, proti kterému bojujou lidi. Jo, máme Butterse. Hey everybody, there's a new kid playing with us. And me and him are friends. That way nobody picks on him. To mě ochrání nejvíc ze všech, co to dá. Jako. To bych taky rád věděl. No tak kdo můžeme? Toto? Do you like Colorado? Butters, takový nejsilnější bojovník. A Cartman, Eric Cartman. Skvěle.
I am the Wizard King. But the time for talk is not now. Let me show you my kingdom.
Skvěle. Tak teďka nám jde ukázat království Kupa Keepu.
Oh, who's your new friend, Eric?
Shut up, Mom. Not now.
To je ta jeho máma, ta Flundra. Gottfried.
Welcome to the kingdom of Koopa Keep.
Vítej v království Kupa Keep.
Our weapon shop here is tended by Clyde, a level 14 warrior. Here you can see our massive stables, overseen by the level 9 ranger, Scott Malkinson, who has the power of diabetes. And here, of course,
Kenny!
is the breathtaking maiden in all the kingdom. Don't ask why Kenny wanted to be a chick, it's just how he seems to be rolling right now. You have been sought out, new kid, because humans everywhere are
Teďka
in great
dostaneme,
danger. I
teďka
need
si
them.
budeme muset koupit,
And in return, I am prepared to allow you into my kingdom.
pardon,
I know you're very
vybrat jméno
Time for
a
your first quest.
třídu.
Please tell us thy name.
Thy name. Jak se budeme jmenovat? I'm going to poop. God damn it! I must go to poop. Fuck you. Pojďme se normálně. Lord. Cac, ne, us.
You entered douchebag, is that correct?
Ne,
Are you sure you want to keep the name douchebag?
ne.
Very well, douchebag. You will now choose a class: fighter, mage, thief, or Jew.
OK,
Jew, huh? So I guess we'll never.
já vím, že to tady toho žida hraje moc lidí. Já bych ho chtěl, ale ne. Dáme si někoho, za koho moc nehrajou lidi. Tak si dáme tady Mage.
Only not as cool.
Jo, dáme si Mage, ano.
We welcome to our kingdom, Douchebag the Mage.
Mage.
Now please go and visit the weapon shop. Procure
Jdem si
yourself
koupit
a
první
weapon
zbraň.
that will teach you to
Jo.
fight. Would you like
Ciao,
to see
Clyde.
my wares, weary traveler? Perhaps you would like to hear tips.
Buj. Weapons. Magic Wand. Buj.
Ah, a lovely purchase.
I... Skvěle. O, to je úplně
Ah, you
tyčinka
have procured a
pravdy.
weapon? Yes. It's now time to teach you how to fight. I want you to take your new weapon and, with the bravery of a noble knight, beat up Clyde. What? Kick Clyde's ass, new kid. What do I do? I'm the king, Clyde, and the king wishes to be amused. Go on, new kid, kick his ass. I'm gonna kick your ass. Clyde, you have to wait your turn. That's lame. No, Clyde, it's like olden times. You have to wait your turn, like in the Middle Ages, Clyde.
Ano,
I know
ano,
it's lame,
přesně
Clyde,
tak
but
to
that's
bylo
how
v
we're
Middle
fucking doing
Ages.
it.
Přesně
Alright,
tak, ve
douchebag, back to
středověku.
station. Don't be shy.
Takže teďka musíme nakoupnout Clydovi prdel. Jdeme ho zničit.
Oh, hell yeah,
Going
Clyde,
to
you're
kill
big.
you, you
Alright, Clyde's
motherfucker.
wearing armor. In order to hurt him, I want you to hit Clyde as hard as you can.
OK.
Didn't count. Oh, shit,
Oh.
dude, I think I see blood. Fucking nice, bro. It's exactly what you do to
Thanks,
guys with armor
mate.
like that. Okay, listen up. The key to
No.
surviving in battle is not to get hit in the
Ježiš,
back.
ten je
Clyde,
ukecanej.
douchebag, protect your back.
Protect your boss.
Prepare yourself.
Prepare yourself.
Yeah.
God damn it.
No, I said
Teď jsem
protect.
kliknul.
Protect your back. Critical hit.
Skvěle.
That's what I'm talking about. Dude, you're already way better than Clyde.
Já vím, že jsem lepší.
Time to use your heroic powers. Using your ability takes power
Yo.
points, or PP for short. PP.
Pim.
If you have a fucking better name for them, then fucking say it, Clyde. Fucking asshole.
Tomu nemusíte rozumět.
PP. Douchebag, use your mage ability to make
Tak
your
tomu
name for yourself,
vlastně.
okay?
Musíte tomu rozumět, jako. Dragon Breath. Mesh tilde. Mouse button.
Oh,
To je silný!
way to wipe that smile off his stupid face, douchebag. Now do it
To
one
je
more time.
strašně
That's
silný.
going easy. Take this. Die. Ah,
To je ohromně silný tohleto. Jsem ani nevěděl. A seš mrtvej, Clyde. Si myslel, že mě natrhneš prdel, ale byl jsem já, kdo ti ho natrhl.
dude, that was awesome. You were all like, "Bean," and Clyde was all like, "Nah, nah." Okay. You prove yourself worthy, douchebag. Now come inside the war tent and I shall let you see.
Un momento, por favor. Momentík, chvilku, musím jít na záchod. Tak jo. Jsem zpátky. Musel jsem se jít vyčůrat.
Well, the reason why humans and elves are locked in a never-ending war, the relic for which human and elf are willing to die. The stick of truth.
Oh, tak bych se na to šáhl.
But now it thrives, for whoever controls the stick controls the universe. Don't reason it too loud, for it's too much for mere mortals to look at. Now that you have seen the stick of truth, let's discuss your dues. Being a member of my kingdom costs $9.95 for the first week, $2 of which is tax deductible. Alarm! 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 Someone has sounded the alarm! Alarm! What is it? The elves are attacking! Oh my god! Defense!
Oh my god! No, vážně. Fu.
Come help us!
Ha. Tak jo, nevím pomoct.
Man the gate! Don't let them through! Give us the stick, humans! Fuck you, Drow Elf! Come and get it! Blood! Guard the stick of truth while we defend the fortress! Aye, aye! Aye, aye! We're not playing pirates, Clyde! Douchebag, this is your chance.
Ten mi jen rozkazoval.
Hold on to the elf at all costs. Asshole!
Fuck you, asshole! Scott Malkinson. Musím mu pomoct. Zničit já.
Do it, douchebag! Kick these elves' asses!
God damn it!
Wounded, douchebag! Potions will heal you. Here!
To není možný, že se Cartman rozdělí o brambůrky. O, takových životů.
Rules say you can have one potion every turn. I asked for 5, but this was compromise. Try to block all his attacks. Suck on this!
God dang it. Pardon. Se mě stávat taky někdy, že se mě to sekne a musím to takhle restartovat. A vždycky se mě to stalo, když jsem ho měl nabodnout. K nasrání hodná situace.
Don't let them through!
Ano, to už jsme viděli. Zemři.
Do it, douchebag! Kick these elves' asses!
Ano, ano.
You're wounded, douchebag! We'll heal you. Here!
Epický počet životů. To není možný.
The rules say you can have one potion every turn. I asked for 5, but this
Ano,
was
ano,
compromise.
víme, víme, víme.
This guy's fast, douchebag. Try to block all his attacks.
God damn it.
Well, if this job doesn't work out, at least you've got
Ano,
a training dummy.
hlavně mě za to nadávej, že jsem se nechal zranit. A ty
Okay, you
tu
block all
stav...
the attacks, you get a counterattack. Look at your enemy on the ground, weak and helpless. Kick the shit out of him.
Jo, za 9, skvěle.
Awesome, you kicked his helpless ass. Now finish off these elves in the name of the Wizard King. Kiss my ass.
Zničím. To musel štípnout. Zítra tě bude bolet prdelka. Oh. Nebudeme uchylní. Nebudeme uchylní. Tak teďka zničíme tady toho sviňáka hnusnýho, chlupatýho. Zdechni!
Great job,
No,
douchebag.
tak ten toho moc nevydržel, jako. Já bych si chtěl vybrat mezi rasou. Vybral bych si elfy, asi.
Butters, Butters, you're losing. Stop losing. But I don't want to make him feel bad.
Já mám vlastně ten, že...
You got this, douchebag.
Jo,
What are you waiting for, douchebag? That guy's just standing there. Go kick his ass.
jdem ho zničit. Ale no tak...
Oh man, he was totally waiting for you, dude. You can't just hit him like that. You need to try a different tactic to damage him. Look at that archer hiding behind his friend like a wood. Switch to your arrows, douchebag. Snipe that little bitch. Sweet, now you can hit the guy in the back. Go for the pink miss. Yeah, bitch, that's what you get for fucking.
To dává damage aspoň.
Careful, douchebag. That guy's ready for your arrows now. You gotta try something else.
Ano, 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 pane Cartmane. Goddammit. Skvěle, to je silný.
Great job, douchebag.
To je strašně silný, to je takový kulomet, tohleto. Ale tak já už to